Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a TNT Launcher thing on Minecraft. Yeah, so let's get started. So first off, you'll need fences, pressure plates, redstone dust, and a redstone comparator, water, dispensers, those are key in this, and stone, We'll get to the TNT later. But so then, first off, what you'll want to do is mine 3 blocks, right? Then you'll place fences. This is literally like glitching right now. Yeah, you'll place fences there. Then you'll place pressure plates on top of them. Then you'll need stone. Build it like that. And then dispenser. Then you'll need to add in your water. Okay, and then now for the redstone part. You'll need redstone here. Then, I forgot. Lever. You'll need a lever. Then, first I have to switch this comparator on. Then you'll know this redstone. This is a redstone clock, by the way. So you'll know this clock works by if you touch the lever, it should blink on and off rapidly like this. So let's turn that off for now, because that's kind of annoying. And then, now, let's add in the TNT. So then, this might take a while. If you want, you can go ahead and skip the video. Okay, so then now that you have all your dispensers filled up, you'll need to add some redstone. So then you'll need to add in some redstone powder or dust, whatever you call it. I recommend you keep it on, cause like then boom. See, look, it's a beautiful sight. Like if you see, all the TNT are like pushing each other. And look, they even started a little river there because of the water. Oh! So yeah. As you can see, it's not that. Just one last one. Wait, I'm gonna do a thing. Just for good time's sake. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and really important that you hit that notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.